Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelvin Johnson. In this video, I'll be showing you how to back up the registry editor in Windows 11. So if you are using Windows 11, I think one of the most important things you should actually do if you want to actually modify your registry is to actually back up your registry editor. So if you can see, if I go to my H key local machine, here's actually where most of the registry keys are. So you can see we have different options. For example, under the default users environment, I can actually back up this key if I want to modify anything here in case something goes wrong. But also we also have the option to actually back up the whole registry key, like the H key local machine. But mind you, this is going to actually take a long time for it to get backed up. Or if I go to file, I can decide to actually back up the whole my registry key. Or if something goes wrong, I can actually import it back again. But you can see we have the option to actually back up the registry key. But what I want to do right now is let me try to back up a specific key. And just like I said, we can actually back up that key, the registry H key local machine. But this is actually going to take some time. But I think it's actually a best practice to actually back up your H key local machine if you're trying to modify anything from there. Just click export. But if, for example, let me try to see what I can actually back up here. So on our software, we can actually click export to actually back up the software. Or for example, if I say, okay, let me try to back up the security registry key. So let me just go to a specific location. It's actually advisable to back up your registry key in an external drive. So let me use one of these for example, the H drive, and let me just give the you need to give the registry key a name. So just enter the name. For example, let me call this a backup, just a random name, reg, and then click save. Okay, I think because we don't have any information here, it says this other branch does not exist. So let me actually go for a different registry key. So if I just scroll down, for example, under the class, let me see. Okay, this is actually too much of information. So let me just use the default users environment because this actually few information and goes very fast to back up. So here, if I actually choose a different location like the H drive, and then give this registry key a name, just call it the backup reg1, and then click save. So you can see now it has been saved. So if I go to File Explorer and I then move to, let me go to the location where this file is being saved under my H drive. Here you can see the backup registry key actually saved in with .reg. So now let me delete this registry key folder, and then you can see it has been deleted. So let me try back again and try to actually import it. So but to actually import, you need to actually go to your file, not from the software, because from here you can only export. So go to file and then click import, and here we have our backup registry key. Then click open, and you can see it says the key and value contained have been successfully added to the registry. So just click OK, and here we go. You can see our default users environment is now back. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT videos. Bye.